that I breathe. I mean every word that I speak. For every single person on this earth lurking the streets, every fatherless child, those bleak, hurting and weak. I hope encouragement occurs from every verse that I leak. I've lived in pain, but I know it's people worse than me, so I pray for them and pray their prayers get reversed to me. Personally, I face adversity and curse defeat. When them curtains meet, I'm trying to be the first to leave. Yo, let me give a quick description of how I be ripping rappers. I'm vicious, equipped with magnificent verbalistic linguistics. I'm not the one to trick with. I'm more explosive than mixing dynamite sticks with nitroglycerin liquid. My figure of speech unleash villainous beasts. I'm a ridiculous creep with vigorous beats. Your clique could be admitting defeat. You get your face punctured like we were sparring, but I was kicking. Come on and take a journey through the life and times of Jeff Jones, a child who found a place to hide inside his headphones. He felt denied, so every night he cried out, his eyes on any pillow he lied his head on. His father left home, his mom's was just gone. It made his heart as dark as his outside flesh tone. So when he got tested, of course he would explode. He saw anger as a form of expression to let I'm in a grown face grown with my grown face sewn. I'm trying to find a girl I can cone and take home. I pulled up to this chick, but she recognized my face like, ain't you on MySpace? Yup, I'm Jeff Jones. And all I need is a fifth of some liquor to spit sick off the lips like a chick with a lisp and a syphilis blister. I hope you feeling a spitter. This an old school beat, I'm taking it back like an Indian giver. Dipping in a lowrider on 20-inch rims, a crispy pair of Dickies. I never wear Timbs. She with a fella, but I'm more better than him, cause I'm in a Godfather with the feather in the brim. Ain't nobody better, no competitor for him. I'm more clever with my letters and don't ever use a pen. It's evident I'm in the cut like medicine, but then beating me is like taking 60 Ceterins with gin. Let me give y'all 2 lessons in rap. Step 1, yup, your best investment is crack. But if you wanna do it legal, homie, the next move is I suggest you just move to step 2. Step 2, develop a crew. Run around dissing any squad that they comparing to you. And if they ain't better than you, run up on them dudes ready to feud. If they don't want beef, they ain't First of all, it's West Coast till the casket drop. Only thing shaking Cali is an aftershock. We got high fashion bras, the baddest spot. It's the middle of December and my ass is hot. 6 foes jumping, dragging drops, Bloods and Crips, crooked cops, cannabis shops. It ain't a matter of question, it's a matter of fact. Everybody know Cali is hot.